So final friends, it is a POCO X8 Pro device which I did order from the Flipkart website, and let's do the quick unboxing and initial impression review about the POCO X8 Pro device. Let's see and how is the overall experience going to be there with the POCO X8 Pro, and this is a 8GB and 256GB version which I did order. So let me quickly open the device. As you can see, here is a POCO X8 Pro, and this is a Flipkart retail unit which I did order. And this is a 8GB and 256GB storage. And right now I'm going to compare this POCO X8 Pro device with the POCO X1 Pro and the POCO F7 as well. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. It's going to be really very interesting to see how is the overall performance going to be there between the both of the devices. I'm going to do definitely a comparison side by side of all of these phones. And let's do a quick unboxing. So POCO X8 Pro, and so here's a quick look at the unboxing of the POCO X8 Pro device. And this is a black color which I did order. Not bad. This feels pretty like compact. So usually I did see in the videos and images, but I can definitely feel the compactness completely different from the POCO X1 Pro's build quality. It's completely different. Can definitely say that. Let's keep this phone aside and let's take a look at the box. What do you get? We do get the case. So which is same type of case what we got with the before, like POCO X series and POCO F phone. And phone looks pretty good, and it did come with a pre-installed screen protector as well, which is pretty good as well, the screen protector. And we do have the 100 watts of charger, and the cable is included. And SIM card removal pin also will be included in the box. Let's keep everything inside. And now let me boot up the device. Definitely feels really very compact and pretty good build quality. I was not expecting this kind of build quality, but that's pretty good. So this is the only one area where I did feel it's kind of upgrade when it comes to the build quality. Let me remove this one. Not bad, feels pretty good. As you can see, the edge-to-edge display. So let's do the quick install setup process of the POCO X8 Pro. So first time I'm trying to set up the POCO X8 Pro, guys. Let me do the setup process, and let's skip next and next. So right now I'm not going to use any kind of SIM card, so let's skip it. But definitely it feels kind of very premium experience in the compact design in the POCO X8 Pro. So let me click next, skip. I don't want the class app drawer one, so let's select that and skip. Yeah, I don't want to select any applications. So all these applications will be asked to whether you want to install or not, but I don't want to install anything. So let's skip the buttons. So horizontal view. So this is how the initial setup process going to be there in the POCO X8 Pro Max device, but definitely it feels really very premium to use. You can see there is a red color button, color has been changed, but overall it feels pretty good, guys, holding the device. And the LED ring lights will be there on the back side of the camera as well. So let's do the quick setup. So it's taking some time for the preparation of the setup, and right now setup has been completed. And finally, it is a POCO X8 Pro device. And this is a 8GB and 256GB version which I'm trying to use. And by default, out of the box, so 233GB will be available. As you can see, 233GB. and which comes with Android security patch of February month security patch. Think January month, I think, yeah. And Android 16 out of the box. Not bad. So overall, it feels definitely kind of like premium experience while using this device. I can definitely say that in terms of the overall build quality and all the details, it looks really very good. All friends, this is a quick initial review about the POCO X8 Pro device in terms of the overall initial unboxing experience and the initial impressions. So overall, I did like the build quality in the device. I mean, like very slim profile, and it feels pretty kind of compact size. It's not like too big. So let's compare with the POCO F7's display. You can definitely see how much tall the POCO F7 is in terms of the overall build quality and the form factor, and the wider as well, slightly wide. So if you want a like bigger display, you can choose the other phones. But if you want like small displays, this will be the good option. And yeah, can adjust the backlighting RGB light which is present, as you can see. So I'll try to do the in-depth again in review about this backlight effects as well. So stay tuned for those. This is a quick initial impressions, guys, about the unboxing experience of the POCO X8 Pro. And these are the applications which came with the bloatware in this phone. All the games and everything, all the applications. So many of them did come. Let me to check by default, will there be any kind of memory extension used or not? Yes, 4 GB will be utilized by default at this moment. So that's something you should know about. And the haptic feedback feels pretty good, not bad. Let me to go to the haptic feedback, and is there any option to adjust? Yeah, it's solid to the maximum level. Yeah, feels pretty decent enough. Can definitely say that. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, what are other videos you want me to upload on this POCO X8 Pro. So I'm going to test a couple of things like performance and the battery, which will be my main focus most of the time, because that is the area where a lot of users asked me to make a videos on that particular topics. But overall, it feels pretty premium to use this device. Like all corners are like exactly very slim bezels. As you can see, very slim bezels, all the corners, which looks really very good in the POCO X8 Pro device, as you can see, guys. So in case if you have any other questions, I'll definitely do the side-by-side comparison with other smartphones also. So stay tuned for that. But you can definitely notice the difference, how much it is between the both phones. So POCO X8 Pro and the POCO X7 Pro, you can see the difference. Slightly compact, and it's completely like different level of build quality is there. So not like similar. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. I'll try to do another videos regarding the performance and everything testing. Meanwhile, stay tuned and signing off. Bye.